Yo, we're back again with another video. And right now, what I'm about to do is, hold on, let's see if I can make this thing stand. Ooh, wait, we can. So, right now, you're resting on two things that will really help the car. One will add more power. The other will keep the car cool. Well, will cool the car, keep the car cool. But the inside, an AC compressor, something else. And I'm pretty sure in the last video I said something like what I bought. But if I didn't, you'll watch and you'll see. So I'm going to unbox them right now. Alright, so this knife is pretty sharp. So I'm able to just do this. And then as you guys can see, boom. Actually, I'm gonna open this one first. You know, some suspense and whatnot. And I'm not going to take it all the way out because there's really no point in that. I just wanted to make sure. Boom. And it does move. Okay, boom. So hopefully when you put this in, it works. And it's not a waste of time and I have to send this back. So now that we're through the boring stuff, this is a very boring package when it's not in use, but it's still cool. So let's see. And also, shout out to my guy Jesse Weed. I'll put his YouTube or Instagram in the description and probably like on the screen somewhere across here. But he gave me a great deal on this. Saved myself a few bucks because I was definitely gonna buy this thing new, but I don't need to because it's not a wear item, and you can probably already tell what it is. But I was not going to buy one of these yet. I was going to wait because initially I thought that it came with my kit, but it didn't. So I ended up buying this because he upgraded to the G1 Plus. But this is a 94mm pulley, which means another pound or pound and a half of boost, which on a big supercharger like the one I have is quite a bit. So this is going to provide a lot of whooshy sounds and power and heat. Definitely heat, which is why I'm going, oops, accidentally pressed the button, but which is why I'm going to be God damn it, I forgot the key. You know what? I'm not even gonna, actually I will. I'm gonna go grab the key. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I don't know how I forgot the key inside. But yeah, it's gonna definitely create a lot of heat, which is why I have a meth kit, which we will also be installing. Now I really do hope I get this stuff done this week, so any type of issues that I run into, hopefully there's none, I'll be able to sort them out. And I also actually saw something else online that I want, but the person's asking a really high price, which I believe may even be more than retail. But I'm gonna send them an offer, and then if they accept the offer, I'll grab it, and then that'll be another thing for the car. And that's literally it, because I really don't need anything else. Like, I have everything besides the thing that I'm talking about, which I do actually need, that's it. So yeah, especially with the new pulley, I'm gonna need the thing that I've been looking at. So yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna grab the key and then I'm gonna come back. Also, the interior of the car is super dirty, and I'm gonna detail it. I bought some brushes to do so I'll be getting done soon. But let's get a comparison of the pulley that's on here in comparison to the new one. Okay, so this one is 96.5. Oh, you can't really tell because it's kind of far away, but yeah, I guess it's visibly smaller. But yeah, that's gonna provide a bit more boost. So, I mean, granted you can't really tell from here, but you see 94 on this one and 96.5 there. So 2.5 millimeters smaller on this pulley. And the great thing about these kits is that you don't need a smaller belt or anything like that. Pop that off, put this on. I guess you tension it a tiny bit more if anything, and then boom, you're all set. So what we'll be doing is putting this on, putting the AC compressor on, hopefully grabbing something else, and then putting the meth kit on, and then that'll be literally it. Oh, actually, I have to put my canards on and my side skirts. But besides that, that'll literally be it. But yeah, this was just a quick video because there's literally nothing I'm doing today besides waiting for those 2 packages. And then later in the week when I get to the shop, we'll be putting those on. If I do anything between like a night drive before, or if anybody does any race call outs or anything like that, I'll go record that. But I actually may do that and put it on the new channel, and if I do, I'll be letting you guys know what the new channel is. But yeah, till the next time, drink water, motherfuckers, because there's really nothing else that we can do. So peace. Thanks for motherfucking watching.